Hello all, welcome to a new video in Linux command line tutorial series. In the previous videos, we have seen many commands that do many tasks, but we still don't know what exactly are these commands. Well, in this video, we are going to remove some of the mystery of Linux commands and we will know what exactly are Linux commands. Any Linux commands can be one of the following four types: an executable program. Well, it is like any apps we run in the system. Within this category of the Linux commands, within the category of executable programs, programs can be compiled binaries such as programs written in C and C++, or programs written in scripting languages such as Shell, Perl, Python, and Ruby, etc. And the second type are command built into the shell itself, are called as shell built-in. Bash supports a number of commands internally called shell built-ins. The cd command, for example, is a shell built-in. And the third type are called as shell functions. These are miniature shell scripts incorporated into the environment. We'll know more about these things in later videos, but for now, just be aware that they exist. And the last can be an alias. Alias is nothing but commands that we can define ourselves built from other commands. We'll know in the future videos how to create aliases. So going to next, we know what are these commands, but we don't know how to identify which type they belong to. So to identify them, we use a command called type command. The type command is a shell built-in that displays the kind of command the shell will execute given a particular command name. Let's say the general syntax of type command is type, which is the command name, and then you have to give the command to which you want to know the type for. Let's say ls. And if you press enter, you can see that the ls is aliased to ls color auto. You can see the ls is an alias. Now we know why whenever we give ls command, there will be colored output here. So let us see some more examples of type command. Let's say cd type cd command. Type of the cd command. You- we can see here that the cd command is a shell built-in. Let us see some more examples. Let's say cp copy. Cp is an executable program located at user bin cp. Let's say less command. Less is also an executable program which is located here, user bin less. Let's say df. Df is also an executable program. Let's say free. Free is also an executable program. Man. Man is also an executable program. Let's say mkdir. This is also an executable program. Let's say type. Type is a shell built-in. These are some examples of type command. Sometimes there is more than one version of an executable program installed on a system. Well, this is not very common on desktop systems, but this is not unusual on some large servers that are used in companies. To determine the exact location of a given executable, we can use which command. Which command shows us the location of an executable. Let's say which and ls command name. It shows the location of ls here. Let's say which cp. You can see that the location of cp is here. Let's say cd, which is not an executable, and see what happens. You can see that the which command doesn't give anything here, which means cd is not an executable. It belongs to other three types. Let's say another command, which is mkdir. You can see that mkdir is an executable program. So we can say that which only works for executable programs. So that's it for this video. Thanks for watching. Please like, share, and subscribe.